Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll explore the art of Moroccan mint tea and the heart of hospitality behind it. You'll learn what makes this drink special, the key ingredients, and how it reflects warmth, culture, and tradition in Morocco. Stay with us as we begin this journey into a timeless ritual. Have you ever experienced a flavor that feels like a warm embrace? In Morocco, tea is more than just a quick beverage to start the morning or end a meal. It is a fundamental part of the culture and a profound symbol of hospitality that connects people. Often referred to as Moroccan mint tea, the sweet and aromatic drink serves as the centerpiece for almost every social interaction. Whether you are browsing a bustling market or visiting a friend's home, you will likely find a steaming glass of this emerald liquid waiting for you. Sharing a pot of tea is a way for Moroccans to show respect and welcome to their guests. It's a gracious gesture that transcends simple refreshment. Because it's so central to life, the preparation is often treated with the same care as a sacred ritual. As you learn the secrets behind this iconic drink, you'll see why it's rightfully called the whiskey of the desert. Let's explore how you can bring this tradition of warmth and friendship into your own home. What makes Moroccan mint tea truly special? Moroccan tea culture isn't just about the drink itself, it's about the time spent together. In Morocco, people serve tea at all hours of the day and night. It's the first thing offered to a visitor and the last thing enjoyed after a long dinner. This tradition reflects a deep-rooted history of trade and cultural exchange. While tea plants don't grow in Morocco, the region became a major hub for tea trade in the 1800s. Since then, the locals have transformed imported tea into a unique national treasure. Three people casually gather around a low ornate Moroccan table centered with a silver teapot and small glasses, smiling and conversing in a sunlit room with colorful textiles. The history of this beverage is also tied to the landscape. In the harsh conditions of the desert or the cool mountain air, a hot cup of tea provides comfort and hydration. Because it's often prepared by the head of the household, the act of brewing is a mark of pride. It's common to see a host spend significant time balancing the flavors of sugar and mint to perfection. This careful preparation shows the guests that their presence is truly valued and celebrated. The core ingredients you will need. To brew an authentic batch, you don't need a pantry full of rare items. You only need 4 specific ingredients to get the flavor profile exactly right. First, you need gunpowder green tea, which consists of dried tea leaves rolled into small, dark pellets. These pellets unfurl in hot water, releasing a smoky and bold flavor that stands up well to the other strong components. Overhead flat lay composition of the 4 primary ingredients for Moroccan mint tea: gunpowder tea leaves, fresh spearmint leaves, granulated sugar, and boiling water. That's it for part 1. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for part 2, where we continue and show you how to prepare and serve authentic Moroccan mint tea step by step. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.